Okay. Isang bagsak ka, katong dili makasabay mo na ipakaonon sa snacks. Isang bagsak to, group number 3. Katong mo ulit next time, mo ipakantahon na lang, di pakaonon, ha? Okay, so we have here their answers, no? So, according to them, group number 3 provides that their main goal is to be the group, no? To come up with a solution. So there is the presumption that there are problems or there are issues. That's why, according to this group, that their main goal is to provide the best solution for the possible issues or issue that they will encounter. In number 2, what are their main supervisory responsibilities? So we are here to lead, to guide, to support, to give complement, okay, to the subordinates. No? Then number 3, what are the obstacles? We have number 1 is communication. Number 2 is different ideas. Take note as early as now, if there are 20 members in your group, you must have 21 skills to handle that group. Kaya kung 20 lang, pildi ka na. Diba? Kung pila ka tao, dapat ang imong abilidad may sobra usa. Yan naman na we do with the process. Then we have the issue on leading. When you rank, we have here the ranking, lead, guide, dance, and number 3 is communication and different ideas. Okay, so Mighty 6, thank you very much. Group number 2 daw, okay, by order of... ano sa? Okay, group number 2. Sige, sige.
Okay, good morning to everyone. Our group 2, the devote, meaning kanang muspik yun sa trabaho, devoted. Okay, so ang among answer number 1, your main role as a supervisor. So we come up this answer to lead the group and act as a role model to achieve a common goal. So you are a leader, we are a captain of the ship. So we act as a role model. So kung unsay atong nasabutan nga bawal na. So example kung you must be on time 15 minutes before the time. So ang leader dapat siya una-una. So, act as a role model in order to achieve a common goal. Okay. Number 2, what are our main supervisory responsibilities? So, organizing, define the responsibility of the group para walay kanang overlappings of responsibility. So, diha na ang siguro mga scheduling. So, this is our responsibility. Planning to create strategies. So, kita mag-una-una kung unsay dapat na solution, ano nga problema. Implementing is the realization of the plans. And controlling. So, muna siya maano kung ang action ba na perform in a given specific time. and monitoring and evaluation or the performance surveillance. So, and number 3, rank your answer, obstacle. So, we come up, amo na siyang 1, 2, 3. So, number 1 naman is personality differences. Okay. Inon man nato sa dili, nagitay kanya-kanya ng mga personalities. So, labi na sa atong mga staff, and muna yung ginaingon na you cannot please everybody. So, natay gusto po sa uban, gusto dili po. So, unsa ni differences sa mga attitudes sa mga staff. Then, limited resources. So, and limited resources, mabilong po din siguro ang lack of support from the admin or siguro walay kwarta. And work overload. Kana lang, sir. Bayad sa loan.
Number 2, thank you very much. Isang bagsak to group number 2. At least happy ko yung masabay. Kita na. Sige. So we have heard their answers. Number 1 is to lead the group and act as a role model. No? Importante kayo na. No? So then we have what are your main responsibilities? Organizing, planning, implementing, controlling, and monitoring of performance. So at least, ibalik naman mo ito na nani. Tapos na nato ang training. No? Then we have how you rank the obstacles. We have here, again, the issue on personality differences, limited resources, then the work overload. So, tanaw natin itanan as we go read. So, group number 2, salamat. Group number 3. Group number 1. Group number 1 there.
Okay, mag-chant tayo. Okay? One, go. Lead and be style, supervisors Gangnam Style. Lead and be style, supervisors Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style because as we all know, ang Gangnam kasi is a social district in Korea. Kaya gusto namin we supervise Gangnam Style. Kung ang aming standards, gusto namin pinaka-social and pinaka-hindi pertaining to monetary, social, meaning may standards. So, we are the supervisors Gangnam Style! Okay, good morning po sa lahat. Okay, ang number 1 answer na mo is, since when we collected the ideas of all the members, ang mga naglabas na 3, oo nga pala, sige. Before anything else, we would like to introduce the members of our group. I am Sonia Coves of the Renal Dialysis Unit. And this is Ma'am Suping of the administration. Si Sir Darwin Carino of the emergency room. Sir Juan Panlucio of the nursing department. Sir Rudy Calafre of the business office, accounting office, and Ma'am Eugenia T of the pharmacy department. Okay, once again, good morning. So we joined lahat, collect namin to form 1 sentence. So, ang answer namin for number 1 is to provide sound supervision because meron din namang supervision pero hindi organized, hindi tama yung palakad. So, we prefer the adding an adjective to the supervision to be sound kasi walang purpose ang supervision kung hindi rin naman maayos yung takbo. So by being a role model, because we are here not only to lead, but to set a good example. Okay, therefore, ang aming end goal is to instill in their hearts and minds the importance of being dedicated to their job. Meaning, it's not only time, your job is not only time-bounded, but it goes beyond your 8-hour shift. Yung ganun yung gusto namin ibigay sa kanila na i-instill na culture sa kanila. So, for number 2, may supervisory responsibilities. Parehas lang sa group 2, naging scientific kami. So, organizing, planning, implementing, controlling, and evaluation. So, yun pa rin, parehas sa number 2. Number 3 is yung obstacles that we personally believe that makes it difficult to fulfill our responsibilities was. Number 1 is personality or attitude problems. Same as din sa group number 3, yung different ideas, parang ganun din yun. Personality, attitude problems because we are individuals. So, hindi lahat ng ating ideas acceptable sa ibang tao. Tapos number 2 is communication problems. Rooting from the personality, individualism, nagkakaroon tayo ng communication problems. Because as Filipinos, hindi kasi tayo trained to parang voice out ang ating, hindi tayo ganun ka-verbal like sa ibang mga kultura. So, may tendency na may reklamo pala, hindi na nila napaparating, pero nasasabi nila sa ibang tao. So, mga ganun. Number 3 is lack of cooperation in some employees. Most probably because hindi nila maka-communicate yung kanilang mga gusto, hindi na lang sila nagko-cooperate. And last but not the least, we rank na pala according to the importance ang 2 and 3 by percentage. So, number 3, yung ayun na. Number 4 na lang is yung budget and support. In any operations, lahat naman talaga may budget constraint. Kahit sa pamilya, may limited tayo ng budget. So, it's just a matter of prioritizing yung mga dapat natin bigyan ng budget. So, nagigilin siyang obstacle when it comes to supervision. That's all, and thank you.
Okay, so group number 1. Isang mag-accept the group number 1. Okay, so we have here their answers on the given questions. In number 1, again, naglabas.